Next, you can sell your own products. If you want more control in your business, have specialist knowledge that you can teach, then selling your own product may be just for you. Whilst there is more work involved than, say, affiliate marketing, you will create more opportunities for yourself, as you will soon find out. Here's how it works. You generate traffic using free and paid methods. You then direct that traffic to your own website, which has a sign-up form that offers a free gift, such as a free report or video training, and so on. Your visitor signs up and is added to your email list. They're then redirected to your offer. When they buy, you keep 100% of the sale, so there's no profit sharing involved. Those prospects that don't buy will receive follow-up emails to remind them about your product. This will increase your sales. You profit from the sale of your product, minus the cost of creating content or paid ads. What you can do is also add more upsells to your sales funnel. This will further increase your sales without having to acquire new customers. Now, because they're on your email list, you can continue to promote more products to them over time. So in your first week, you can promote your primary product. In the second week, you can promote an affiliate offer. Third week, you can promote another product, and so on. This system can be completely automated and can be set up to go on forever or until you have nothing left to sell. So keep this in mind when you add any sort of list building to your system. It gives you full control of your business, including the products you sell, the prices you sell at, your profit margins, what payment systems you use, and so on. It can be fully integrated with your existing affiliate marketing and CPA business, especially if you're building a list in the same niche. For example, if you're promoting work from home opportunities, you may want to sell your own coaching program. If you have specialist knowledge that people want or can teach something in a unique way, then you're sitting on a potential goldmine. You can use private label rights, also known as PLR, to rebrand existing products to start selling immediately, if you don't have something unique to offer. Your customers will feel more comfortable buying high-ticket offers for $500, $1,000, $2,500, $5,000 or more directly from you instead of an affiliate offer. You can create several upsells over time and place them behind your front-end offer to create a sales funnel and easily increase your profits. You can set up your own affiliate program and get others to do the selling for you, on top of your existing sales. When you have multiple offers in your sales funnel and high-ticket back-end offers that convert well, you can then charge a premium for others to join your affiliate program. There are partner programs that charge $500, $1,000, even $2,500 for this privilege, which is another income stream for you. The difficulty level is medium to hard, as it requires basic web design, good copywriting, video creation and product creation skills, and knowledge to set up automation systems. If you like this video, then don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. And if you want to learn more, then grab your free online starter pack from the link below. Until then, I'll see you in the next video.